Hello friends, welcome back to JP Study Corner. Today we are going to see some important nicknames of Indian states and cities. Which state is known as the fruit bowl of India? Answer: Himachal Pradesh. Which state is known as the land of warriors? Answer: Nagaland. Which place is known as Temple City of India? Answer: Bhubaneswar. Which city is known as banking capital of India? Answer: Chennai. Which city is known as the Scotland of India? Answer: Kashmir. Which city is known as City of Festivals? Answer: Madurai. Which city is known as Gateway of India? Answer: Mumbai. Which city is known as Queen of Deccan? Answer: Pune. Which city is known as Halwa City of India? Answer: Tirunelveli. Which state is known as Orchid State of India? Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. Which city is known as Pearl City of India? Answer: Tuticorin. Which place is known as City of Spices? Answer: Kozhikode. Which state is known as Land of Five Rivers? Answer: Punjab. Which state is known as the Rice Bowl of India? Answer: Chhattisgarh. Which state is known as the Kohinoor of India? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. Which place is known as Golden City of India? Answer: Amritsar. Which city is known as Electronic City of India? Answer: Bangalore. Which state is known as God's own country? Answer: Kerala. Which city is known as Diamond City of India? Answer: Surat. Which is known as Wine Capital of India? Answer: Nasik. Which is known as Sandalwood City of India? Answer: Mysore. Which place is known as City of Palaces? Answer: Kolkata. Which state is known as the Rome of the East? Answer: Karnataka. Which city is known as the Gold Capital of India? Answer: Thrissur. Which city is known as Steel City of India? Answer: Jamshedpur. Which place is known as Silver City? Answer: Cuttack. Which is known as Cashew Capital of the World? Answer: Kollam. Which city is known as the Paris of the East? Answer: Pondicherry. Which city is known as the Place of Victory? Answer: Vijayawada. Which place is known as City of Destiny? Answer: Visakhapatnam. Which place is known as City of Rallies? Answer: New Delhi. Which city is known as Textile City? Answer: Surat. Which city is known as City of Handloom? Answer: Panipat. Which city is known as IT Capital of India? Answer: Bangalore. Which city is known as Mini Mumbai? Answer: Indore. Which city is known as Paris of India? Answer: Jaipur. Which place is known as White City of India? Answer: Udaipur. Which city is known as Health Capital of India? Answer: Chennai. Which place is known as the High-Tech City? Answer: Hyderabad. Which place is known as City of Seven Islands? Answer: Mumbai. Which city is known as land of lychees? Answer, Muzaffarpur. Leather city of the world is? Answer, Kanpur. Which place is known as Orange City? Answer, Nagpur. Which city is known as Gateway of South? Answer, Chennai. Which are known as twin cities? Answer, Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Which place is known as City of Buildings? Answer, Kolkata. Which place is known as City of Statues? Answer, Thiruvananthapuram. Which place is known as City of Prime Ministers? Answer, Allahabad. Which place is known as the religious capital of India? Answer, Varanasi. Which city is the sports capital of India? Answer, Meerut. Which place is known as the city of chilies? Answer, Guntur. Which city is known as pensioners' paradise? Answer, Kakinada. Which place is known as royal city? Answer, Patiala. Which city is known as Constantinople of India? Answer, Lucknow. Which place is known as City of Elephant? Answer, Lucknow. Which city is known as Venice of the East? Answer, Udaipur. Which place is known as City of Dreams? Answer, Mumbai. Which city is known as Silicon Valley of India? Answer, Bangalore. Which place is known as Egg City of India? Answer, Namakkal. Which place is known as Sleepless City of India? Answer, Madurai. Which city is known as Yoga City? Answer, Rishikesh. Which city is known as the Prince of Arabian Sea? Answer, Kollam. Which place is known as Silk City of India? Answer, Bhagalpur. Which city is known as the world capital of biryani? Answer, Hyderabad. Which city is known as the Manchester of North India? Answer, Kanpur. Which city is known as Heritage City? Answer, Mysore. Which place is known as City of Weavers? Answer, Panipat. Which place is known as City of Hospitality? Answer, Siliguri. Which city is known as the California of India? Answer, Nasik. Which place is known as City of Prawns? Answer, Bhimavaram. Which city is known as the perfume capital of India? Answer, Kannauj. Which place is known as the tiger capital of India? Answer, Nagpur. Which place is known as Pink City? Answer, Jaipur. Which place is known as Scissor City? Answer, Meerut. Which place is known as Flower City? Answer, Palanpur. Which place is known as City of Blood? Answer, Tejpur. Which city is known as the land of rising sun? Answer, Itanagar. Which city is known as the land of black diamond? Answer, Asansol. Which city is known as the Hills Queen City? Answer, Mussoorie. Which city is known as the auto hub of India? Answer, Chennai. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest update. Thank you.